What do you do when you realize your retirement fund isn't enough? You stop stressing and you start building. But panicking won't change the numbers. Taking control will. You don't need a massive corporate fund to build security. You just need a plan to generate your own income right from your own home. With a step-by-step blueprint to create a simple roadmap to help regular people build their own home-based business from scratch. No confusing tech, no impossible startup cost, just clear daily step to start creating your own financial safety net. You have years of life experience and resilience and wisdom. That is your biggest asset. It's time to put it to work for you, not for someone else. So if you are ready to stop worrying and start building something that gives you peace of mind, then comment below. Let's take a look at the blueprint together and start building your security one step at a time. It's never too late to start. Make good choices. Toodles!